We'll guide you through how to fix black bars on stretched resolution in Windows. Black bars can be really annoying, especially when you're trying to use stretched resolution for gaming. So, I'll show you a few different methods you can try to fix the problem. Let's get started. First, right-click anywhere on your desktop and select Display Settings. Now scroll down and open Advanced Display. At the top, make sure you select the correct monitor if you're using multiple displays. Next, look for the option called Refresh Rate. Try changing the refresh rate to a different value, such as 60 Hz, and then test if the black bars disappear. If it doesn't fix the issue, try switching between the available refresh rates until you find the one that works properly. Now, if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, open the Start menu and search for NVIDIA Control Panel. Open it and go to Adjust Desktop Size and Position. Under the Scaling section, set the scaling mode to full screen. Then click Apply. Now, if you have an AMD graphics card instead, open the AMD Software panel. Go to Display. Then find Scaling Mode. And set it to Full Panel or Full Screen. Save the changes and then check if the black bars are gone. And that's it. Those are some of the best ways to fix black bars on stretched resolution. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.